How's everyone doing today? I always feel like you look really strange when you don't have any like lipstick on. You just got like lip liner on. Reminds me of my nan, which is terrifying. We should go in and start with the face. I'm just gonna start with the face, all right, guys? Because I feel so strange that I only have like half of my face made up. I just thought it would be cute to have like a little green blush on the nose. I'm obsessed with this like blush on the nose thing at the moment, and I feel like it would just be really, really cute to have like a little green blush. How do I get rid of my face? This is an interesting question. How does one get rid of their face? I don't know how to answer it. Oh, get off your face. Okay, I read that wrong. Apologies. I just take it off with makeup remover. I have contact lenses for this look, by the way, but they were a bit painful, so I did try to put them in, and I was like, actually, I'll just wait until like I finish to put them in because it's just a bit sore. It'll be cool once we get onto the body portion of the stream because I think Poison Ivy's outfit's pretty dope. And especially like on the references that I chose, I think that she looks very cool. I just paint my upper body. It's fun to capture like the torso because you have a fair balance between detail and character design. You get to incorporate like the most impressive and exciting parts of the character whilst also not losing out on detail. And the thing is the minute that I start to paint my legs and my feet and everything else, to take the photo, I have to stand really, really far back. Things like the details are gonna get lost on you because you're so far back viewing the full design. And so it's kind of got like diminishing returns. It would be really time consuming. It wouldn't be as detailed as I would like it to be. And it would just like be exhausting. So the best of both worlds is to be able to do like the torso because I think it has like a good balance between detail and the embodiment of the character. Don't fall off the chair, boy. Don't fall off the chair. Is this what you want? Is this what you're after? Good boy. Lady! Come for you, come here. Oh, Lord's not coming to get it. Oh, he is now. Sometimes he like tries to steal the Dreamy out of her mouth, which is like hilarious. hope that you have all enjoyed the stream. But I've enjoyed it nonetheless, and I hope that you have enjoyed it too. Have a wonderful evening, friends. Thank you for joining. Bye, guys!